BSc MSc in forensic science के लिए कैसे prepare करें? So here's another one of the most demanded videos from you all, which is a detailed prep strategy for BSc MSc at NFSU. Firstly, for all those who don't know me, hi, I'm Niharika, a second year BBMBA student at the National Forensic Sciences University, pursuing the integrated program in management from the beautiful main campus at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. And yes, I secured All India rank 23 during my time, which was 2023, for my course BBA MBA. Now, if you are not already aware of what the BSc MSc course at NFSU is about, the specializations, the subjects taught, internships, and all of that, make sure to check out this detailed video that I have made about BSc MSc in forensic science. It covers pretty much everything you would like to know. And well, this video crossed above 13,000 views recently, which basically means कि तुमको अपनी जी जान लगानी पड़ेगी because the competition is going to be tough. Also, I'll be mentioning a lot of PDFs or links in this video, right? So for your benefit, I have compiled all of these links and PDFs neatly in a Google Drive that you can find down in the description. So I would say keep that open so that you can match with whatever I'm saying. Now first, let us go through the updated syllabus this year. Eligibility criteria is as mentioned on the screen, and 60% is overall, not just for PCB. Now see, BSc MSc course ka syllabus is comparatively less diverse as compared to the other courses because you don't have to study a lot of subjects. It's just mainly PCB of 10+2 level. Starting off, here's a voice note from one of your seniors who has very nicely covered everything about the exam pattern, the level of difficulty, or where did she prepare from.
Okay, so I was preparing for NEET, but NEET is obviously quite tough, whereas NFET is easier. Like 1 month is enough to score well in NFET. हमको बस एनफेट के सिलेबस अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए और प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन एनालाइज करना इंपॉर्टेंट है बहुत ज्यादा. नीट फॉलोज अ डिफरेंट पैटर्न विद कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस, राइट? बट एनफेट डजंट हैव सच ट्विस्टेड क्वेश्चंस. एनफेट में हमको बस बेसिक्स पे रहना है और कुछ नहीं. जो नीट के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे होते हैं वो लोग ऑलरेडी एक हायर लेवल पे पढ़ रहे होते हैं, बट एनफेट में ऐसा है कि हमको बेसिक्स पे ही रहना होता है, तो जिसके लिए सैम्पल पेपर्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो फिर मैं ये दीक्षाज लर्निंग लैब है ना, तो उसके ही सैम्पल्स किया था मैंने, तो वो एक अच्छे लेवल पे था. बट ठीक है, किसी को नहीं पता कि कब क्या हो जाता है, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस किए थे तो वो थोड़े से इजी थे एज कम्पेयर टू जो हमारा पेपर हुआ. तो थोड़ा इधर उधर हुआ था, बट ठीक है, इट्स ओके. इफ आई विल रेट द डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ बोथ एग्जाम, नीट इज अराउंड 9 on 10 and NFET is 6 on 10. So yeah.
As for the resources, I asked a lot of people and there were mainly 5 common resources that we'll be discussing in this video. Number 1, NCERT. This is literally the most underrated book ever because I talked to my friends, I talked to my batchmates as well, including my roommate who's a BSc MSc forensic science student, and she told me that you are asked to refer NCERT books even after coming to college in your SEM 1, SEM 2 for a few topics or a few subjects. Hence, before moving to any other external sources, please make sure that you are perfectly done with your NCERT syllabus. Number 2, NEET syllabus. So if you have been preparing for NEET or any other competitive exams, I believe you already would be done with a lot of these topics. So you just need to brush up your concepts, and even if you're not preparing, then you would have done all of this in your 11th and 12th. Hopefully. And NFET exam is much easier compared to NEET, so do not stress out a lot. Number 3, YouTube channels like Forensic Science with Priyanshi or Diksha's Learning Labs. They also cover a lot of important things like previous year paper analysis, mock practice questions, or the exam pattern and difficulty. So make sure to check them out as well. Number 4, previous year papers. So NTA does not officially release any PYQs, but we somehow managed to unofficially gather the PYQ for the BSc MSc course, which I have mentioned in the same Google Drive link. So try to attempt it, analyze the difficulty, the paper pattern, try to understand what kind of preparation you need to do. But again, do not panic if you're not able to attempt a few, because who knows, this year the exam pattern or difficulty might be completely different. So just use it as a reference. And number 5, mock tests. So हमारे time पे mock test नहीं हुआ करते थे, so हमने तो जो कुछ मिला जहाँ से भी मिला वही पढ़ लिया था. But you guys do have mock tests, you guys do have practice questions. So one practice question site I would suggest is Budding Forensic Expert. I saw their page and they had pretty good number of questions for these topics. Or you can also try out the mock test from NPI, that is NFAT Prep India. They have a set of 2, 5 or 10 mock tests as well. And if you want some discount, you can use my coupon code, which is COLE10, and you'll be getting a 10% discount. And yeah, I guess that is it. Pretty short and crisp video. And here's a recap of all the resources that we have discussed so far. And one thing that you all really need to understand is that being in science stream or your field, it's not just about how many marks you score or how many mock tests you have given. It's always about the conceptual clarity. How clear are you with all of these concepts of physics, chemistry, and biology? Because that is really going to determine how your academics college life is going to look like. So yeah, make sure you actually understand what you're reading. And again, I give a free advice to everybody in all of my preparation strategy videos. And in this one, I would like to give it to you guys preparing for BSc MSc Forensic Science is that this field is a very niche field. It is a highly specialized field with subjects like evidence packaging, question documents, crime scene investigation, ballistics, and toxicology, and so much more, right? And you should be knowing about the pros and cons of forensic science before actually coming over here and entering into this field. If you do not see yourself in the future working in this field as a forensic science expert or as a scientist or with intelligence organizations, then please do not come because you're only going to be wasting your own time and energy and mine also. So yeah, बाद में कोई आके मेरे पास नहीं रोएगा कि इसमें ये दिक्कत है, इसमें वो दिक्कत है. So yeah, that is it from my side. I hope I cleared a lot of your common queries about how you can prepare for this course. And if you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comments and comment down which course you want me to come up with a preparation strategy for. I'll surely try to. And you can always connect to me on my Instagram ID @Niharika or my LinkedIn ID. And I'll also be sharing you the link to a WhatsApp group where we chat, discuss doubts, and have a lot of fun. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.